What's up everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Daniela. In case you're stopping by for the very first time, I do all things skincare, beauty and wellness. If your skin can't seem to keep moisture of its own, then you need this 4-step solution skincare routine that I have formulated and concocted together for dry skin. Now your skin is going to go from dry, dehydrated, chapped to dewy, glowy, hydrated skin. Now if that sounds like something that you're interested in, then of course continue to watch. Now the aim of this entire process and this routine is to make sure that you're able to keep your skin's trans-epidermal moisture. Secondly, for you to be able to maintain that hydration, that fatty cushion that your skin has that allows you to feel that juicy, dewy feeling. Yeah, you want to be able to keep that. And lastly, you want to be able to sustain the dewiness and the moisture that your skin produces on its own for a long period of time. Now that is the aim of this entire routine. Now without talking too much, please make sure that you are first of all subscribe, turn on post notifications because you're going to learn a lot. I make videos like this every other week. I'm sorry I was not available last week, but I make videos like this every other week, and be sure to subscribe. With all that said, the first step in this solution skincare routine is a good cleansing routine. Now can I say this again? It is a good cleansing routine because nothing else is going to work for you. Nothing else is going to work in this routine if you are not cleansing properly. Now when I talk about cleansing, I mean two categories of cleansing. First of all, we are going to double cleanse with a cleansing oil. Now if you don't double cleanse and you use makeup like me, or you use sunscreen every day, what that is going to do is that your skin is going to be clogged up with excess oil, debris and germs that your eyes can't see, and you will be wondering why skincare products are not penetrating through your pores to benefit your skin, and that is because your skin is not properly cleansed. Now when you're trying to choose a cleansing oil, you want to choose something that is lightweight, that is not thick, that will not clog your pores, and that can easily dissolve in water. The aim of the cleansing oil is to melt away sunscreen and makeup and pressed powder remnants, all those things away from your face, so that your actual cleanser can have direct contact with your skin pores and be able to remove all the dirt and germs that you can't see. But before you use your cleanser, you need to make sure that you're using a cleansing oil. And for cleansing oil, I have two major recommendations for you. First of all, I have the No. cleansing oil, and then I also have the annual cleansing oil. I use the No. cleansing oil regularly. Sometimes I even alternate it with the annual one. What these two cleansing oils have in common is that they do not clog the pores and they dissolve very well in water when you're trying to rinse off before you go in to your actual cleanser. That is the foamy one. Now when it comes to cleansers, I have two major recommendations for you. You want to use a cleanser that has ceramides. See, the key function that you want your cleanser to do for your skin if it is dry is that you want it to cleanse your skin without dehydrating it and while also hydrating it. So you want a cleanser that is able to do three particular things. Number one, to clean your skin properly. Number two, to make sure it is not dehydrated and your barrier is not compromised. And then number three, to leave your skin feeling a bit hydrated and a bit like damp on the surface. That is what you want your cleanser to do. So I recently stumbled on the Ceramide cleanser from Face Packs. This one here, it contains ceramides, oats and a lot of other ingredients that will leave your skin juicy, supple even at the end of cleansing. Now if you want to go down the route of micellar gel cleanser, I have the simple micellar gel cleanser that I in particular, my skin is not dry, but I really like this cleanser. Now if your skin is dry and you have acne and you want to start to remove acne and all those acne causing bacteria with your cleanser, you cannot be using benzoyl peroxide. The reason why you can't use benzoyl peroxide is because your skin is going to get dehydrated. Benzoyl peroxide is already drying on its own. So if you use something that has benzoyl peroxide inside it, even though you have acne, your skin is going to feel clean, but it will be starved of moisture, and you don't want that. Instead of using benzoyl peroxide, you can use this CeraVe salicylic acid smoothing cleanser, the SA smoothing one now, because it has a lot of ceramides, niacinamide and salicylic acid inside it that will focus on the acne causing bacteria, remove it while also maintaining the barrier of your dry skin. Do you see how everything is marinating together and it's making a lot of sense? Alright, so the next step in your actual skincare routine when your skin is dry and you want to take it from dry and chapped to dewy and glowy is to use a toner. Now you can use a soothing toner. There are many options in the market, or you can use a toner that is brightening, or you can use a toner that has hyaluronic acid inside it. Any of these three is going to work for you. You're going to look for a serum that has antioxidants that you can use maybe as a treatment serum and that you can use to also hydrate your skin. So in essence, you will need 3 classes of serum. I know I said it's a simple routine, but I'm mentioning 3 because we have different skin types under dry skin. Some people have dry skin that has acne. Some people have dry skin that is super dehydrated. Some people just want that extra glow even though their skin is dry. Okay, so that is why I am mentioning quite a variety of products in this particular routine. Now, when it comes to serum, you want to choose a serum that is first of all really hydrating. No matter how inflamed your skin is with acne, if your skin is dry, you need to always make sure that you are taking care of the moisture layer of your skin. So you want to use a serum that has a lot of hydration inside it. Think of hyaluronic acid, ceramides, all those things are going to be important for you. Secondly, you want to choose a serum that has antioxidants. The Balance Active Niacinamide serum is going to be important. The Balance Active Vitamin C is going to be important. If you can't find any of these two, just look out for a serum that has antioxidants inside it, like vitamin C and like niacinamide, that you can always use on your skin on a daily basis, preferably during the daytime. Now, if your dry skin has acne, you're going to buy a treatment serum. A treatment serum is a serum that is formulated with certain ingredients inside it to treat a particular skin condition. That is why they are called treatment serums. So if you want your dry skin to be brighter, you can buy the Numbuzin Glutathione Vitamin C Concentrated Serum, this particular one here. However, if your skin has acne, you want to use the ordinary niacinamide serum, this particular one here. The niacinamide and the zinc is in a concentrated formula. That is why it is a treatment serum, and that is why you need to make sure that you use it as a treatment serum. Treatment serums are not serums that you can just stumble in and use on a daily basis. You have to pay extra caution because they are very powerful. You want to go for a moisturizer that is thick, rich and creamy. Let me explain. Thick in terms of consistency, so that when you apply it on your skin, it can latch and stay on your skin for longer. Rich as in it has a lot of ingredients inside it that is going to encourage the radiance that you want your dry skin to have. And then creamy. Creamy also means in terms of ingredients, in terms of consistency, in terms of texture. Your skin is dry. You cannot be using a lightweight moisturizer or a water-based moisturizer. No, you want to use a moisturizer that is thick, that is rich and that is creamy, so that when you apply it on the surface of your skin, it is going to leave that blanket feel of shine, of dewiness on the surface of your skin that can stay on it for at least 4 to 5 hours during the day. You get me? This is very important. You can't be trying to achieve dewy skin, juicy skin on dry skin, and then you are using a moisturizer that is water-based, that is lightweight, that once you use it on your skin, you can't really feel it. You want to get a moisturizer that is thick, rich and creamy. Only recommendation that I could find when it comes to face moisturizers for dry skin is the CeraVe Daily Moisturizer. It is enriched with ceramides, a lot of hyaluronic acid to keep your skin moisturized and hydrated for a long period of time. It is also going to leave that blanket feel of that fatty cushion that you want your skin to have. Some of you feel that metallic feel on your skin, and that is because your skin is starved and dehydrated of moisture. But once you use a moisturizer that is thick, rich and clean, I cannot talk, that is thick, rich and creamy like the CeraVe Daily Moisturizer here, you would absolutely love it. Now, when it comes to your sunscreen, you want to make sure that you're using a sunscreen that is clearly formulated for dry skin. Do you know this Bondi Sands SPF sunscreen right here is so dewy, is so juicy, and is perfect for your skin if it is dry? Now, some of you have relocated from Nigeria to UK to US, and the harmful condition of the weather there, is it the autumn weather or the winter weather season there, is dehydrating your skin and you can't seem to be able to lock in a lot of moisture. I'm going to teach you a trick. Every night when you do your skincare routine, preferably the one that I've just described to you, you will use something called an occlusive. An occlusive is going to take the place of your sunscreen at night. But at night, instead of using SPF, you will use an occlusive. An occlusive is a jelly kind of moisturizer that you apply after your moisturizer to seal up all the moisture that you have built on the surface of your skin. This tip is particularly important if your skin is dry. This is where you're going to get the Aquaphor or the Eucerin jelly moisturizer. This particular one here is an occlusive. You will apply it on your skin and you will go to bed with your back on your pillow. Listen to me, with your back on your pillow, not your face here, not your face here, with your back on your pillow, so that the next morning when you wake up, your skin is still going to retain that moisture and that dewiness and that juiciness. It is at least going to feel normal instead of dry and dehydrated. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video and you found it extremely helpful. If you're looking for more videos like this on dry skin, on skincare, make sure you check the links in my description box. They will be there for you to watch more and to learn more about your skin and how to take care of it. Do not forget to subscribe, turn on post notifications so that the next time I make videos like this, you'll be the first person to get notified. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next one. Bye.